I'm doing the laundry right now. I knew that this unit didn't have a washer dryer in it. And really, I compromised. That was my one big compromise because I like to have washers and dryers. Essentially, they told me there was more of a communal for this 12-unit building, a communal washer dryer, which is in that building right there. Most of the other units have washers, dryers. I believe I'm the only one, perhaps, that may have to. That's the security guard right there. Those gates close. So anyway, oops, there I am. Good morning. When the hostess brought me out to show me the washer dryer, this is the room she took me to. That's the drain. There is a real dryer, but there's a kamikaze style turbo wash. So I fill it with water, put my soap, and these are my whites and my bleach in it too. And then I wash it for 15 minutes. And then I have to drain it here, turn it to drain, and everything drains out. And what it does is it drains directly onto the floor and goes down that drain. So that's what happens. So then I have to fill it with water again, and I sort of run the water and drain at the same time to rinse. And then when that part's done, then I have to put it into this thing in order to spin dry it. And then from the then just to get the water out. From there, I have to go into the dryer. So last night I did a load of darks, and I wish he's probably still under there. I saw a cockroach that was, about this big. So it's good to know. And there's like a guard dog that lives over on the other side of that fence. It's a big German Shepherd who barks every time you go by. But just in case anybody thinks I'm living in the lap of luxury, there are challenges, always. And we're okay with that. We've had worse. I actually used one of these when we were here last year, when we stayed at Jeff and Jip's in Las Carreras. Okay. How much have we got? We've got about 8 more minutes on this. I'll walk back, show you the way back. I guess I could close the door when I'm doing this. Try and keep the cockroaches in. So that's the building from the back. There are 12 units. We can go out that door there. Or we can walk down here. The dog's liable to start. Oh, that's what it's a parking spot. So we walk out there when we leave usually, because the gate's out front. It's our bedroom window. That's the other bedroom, or my dressing room, as you all know. I think somebody parks a motorcycle there. More like a scooter. There. That's a doorbell. It's me. That was Johnny in a towel. Okay. I'll walk out here now. It won't be just about lavanderia. There's my little drying rack. Those are the beach chairs that we bought. A gentleman from Montreal that we found last year. Goes to Santo Domingo once a week, and we bought those. He charges 10% of the cost. I'm sure if it was something more expensive, you could negotiate. So this is what we'll walk out to the gate. To the pool. They just did the grass yesterday, and it was quite long, and there's grass everywhere. It's not fancy. You know, it's not a 5-star hotel. It's just a small condo building that's maintained as best they can, I would think. Ah, there's a problem out there. The water. Hola, buenos dias. So this is an example. Big hole of what the traffic is like. And as mentioned, it doesn't bother us at all. It's kind of fun. Yeah. Agua. Everywhere. Yeah. Okay. That's our security guard over there, but looks like he's doing gardening. He's raking up all the grass that there's a little hot tub section. There, that's the front. Okay, Melva out.